Hey guys, it's Forever here, and today I'm going to be showing you almost everything about Animal Jam because there's way not enough. So, to create an account, at the bottom of your page you'll have a play now button. It won't be that far down. It's just because I have it really low so that way I can record most of the screen. So, you'll put create animal. After that, turn off your sound because I will walk you through. Trust me, Peck is annoying. Eh? No, no, never. So first choose your animal. So there are rhinos, bunnies, tigers, seal, koala, panda, penguin, and the monkey. Now I recommend not choosing a penguin because if you type in the code penguin, then you can get a free penguin and a pet. I normally choose bunnies. I'm gonna choose. Okay. So just choose a name. So, so I'm just gonna put wise spirit rhino. Okay, so I'm a girl. See my hair. And next will be I know that username is taken. Oh, you guys can't. No. So I'll pause the video until I'm done. So there was a button like around here. So don't listen to Beck. I'll show you. So just press skip. But there was a green button around here, so just don't listen to Beck at all. Turn off your sound, turn off your everything. So now I'll show you how to decorate your den. So you have a bunch of items, so you can just click and drag to wherever you want them to go. We'll drag. Okay, maybe just silently there. Okay, now that I'm done, you can buy something. So with this, we already have 1,000 gems. We can buy pretty much anything from here. Now I would buy a welcome mat. You know, they're cheap. You can actually use them in your den. Then, okay. So just don't do anything that Peck tells you. Okay, next, clothing. So over here you can change your color to any color you'd like it. So I'm gonna just choose a yellow with pink ears, some normal eyes, some girl eyes, and then black pattern. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so you're gonna press shop over here and you'll have a bunch of items. But sadly there are not member and non-member, so you can't buy that. So the little lock, that means it's a member, but if it doesn't have it, that means it's not a member. So like the Jingle Bell necklace, harvest, butterfly hair bow, cloud blanket, pine cone necklace, straw hat, turkey hat, and quite a few more. So you can buy one of those. So if you want to buy something, I'm just gonna buy the cheapest thing. It's called a necklace, and I'm gonna choose a pink one. You just buy it. So when you click it, there'll be a buy button right there. You can also see what the item looks like. So if you were to use it for like a YouTube thumbnail, you could get that too. So, okay. Now that you are ready, now let's go on to the world of drama. So here is the diamond shop. So with the member daily spin, you can practically just spin a wheel and you'll get it. But with the non-member daily spin, you'll spin a wheel and you'll get stuff. So okay. And right now you can get the Drum Holiday gift calendar, and so make sure to play every single day of December. I'm gonna be here all December, so you. Sorry. Okay, so here you can buy animals. Sadly, the only non-member animal in the diamond shop is the pig, I think. And I'm absolutely positive. Okay, next. Okay, so how to distinguish yourself in a group. So you'll have this little paw, but if I buddy a non-member, okay guys, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. I had to do something. I think so. Okay, so I don't know what I was gonna say. Okay. So pretty much, I think I should do what the diamond shop is, and I don't know what I was doing here. When you buddy a non-member, see that? They accept. No, they did not. Okay, we're gonna have to do a bit of trial and error. Okay, well, I guess we'll that. We're gonna show you how to unlock. So doorbell is pretty much when someone goes in your den, ring. Sound is that. Jammer wall is something that's normally up here if you remember. Your den is your house down there, so if you want people to be able to go in there now. Prepare an email, you can do that in a minute. Reading code, so okay, next buddy request. That's mostly off for me, so off. You can turn it off. Game invites, that means like people can invite you to a game, so here. And find open world is that if I'm in Cali right now, and then I go to the Temple of Zios, I'll stay in Cali. Whereas if I'll go to like Alden or something like that, that's what that is. And if the room's full, it'll just say this room's full. We'll try again. And then predict chat is pretty much when you go. That predicts. If I turn off predict chat, you'll just leave you to do that. I don't have that on though. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to do this. Okay, do you see? Stop it. So do you see how that's happening? Okay. So now I had to jamagram someone. So you press their little mailbox and then you can choose one of the custom messages if you're a non-member. Once again, if you're a member, you can choose it. And then what all jammers can do is just choose a nice little card. Like Wonder Woman. And I really like your animal. And if you're a member, you can also send gifts. Okay, now okay, so now we are going to explore how to play games. So I'm just gonna show you Sky High right now. Okay, so Sky High, the goal is to try to jump up to the top, and if you get up to the top, you get a prize. But be wary of the phantoms. Then you have to jump on all the clouds. And if when a cloud disappears when you jump on them. So So the goal is to not get hit by a phantom because those make you go down, and if you don't have a backup cloud under you, you're in big trouble. So you can see the top is on the side. I'm not going to show you because I'm scared. So those are the phantoms. We have to try to defeat them. And we have about 5 more minutes to record this. Even though I am verified, so I could record over 15 minutes. The problem with that is that my thing doesn't my recorder. Oh, that's okay. So the cloud thing, my recorder doesn't let you record over 15 minutes, so I can't do that. And if you fall down too much, then you're gonna die after like, or you're just gonna fall and you're gonna have to restart in a minute. The higher you jump, dirt. Okay. No. Okay, now I'm just gonna show you how to play an adventure. So go to world map, adventures, and then you're obviously gonna have to do training grounds first. So you just talk to Liza. So get close to the phantom and then talk to Liza. So pretty much the phantoms just move around when you get too close to them in that purple bubble. So pretty much, okay. These are chomper plants and they eat phantoms. So pretty much try to lure the phantom to the chomper plant. Now this normally doesn't happen in the normal adventures, but this is just to like show you how phantoms work, if you know what I mean, but without like getting your hearts too low. So then you just trap them by walking here, and this tall grass they can't see you in. Okay, so they can't see you in the tall grass, so stay in the tall grass. Okay. Next, you just put that. Maybe not really adventure. Okay, blah blah blah. Okay, next, just 250 gems, and then walk through a portal when you're done. And then for the adventure phase, you have something. Now, when traps in Drama, you'll normally go over and so you can buy from here. You can only buy free and upgrade if you're not a member. You can also buy everything else. Blah blah blah. So that's kind of funny. Okay, so next. Oh my god! How do they have a legendary eagle? No. How lucky. More famous than my thing. Okay, and then this is reminder we're just gonna play a few games over here. Sleep, 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 sleepy, sleep, 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 sleep. If you remember, you can customize your horse, and then your horse will appear different. Okay, so the quicker you jump, the better. So okay, next, up, 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 and then up.